Welcome to Spring LIB.
Hello students, for the given question, open loop processes are typically used for movements that are performed rapidly and accurately and do not require continuous feedback, whereas closed loop processes are used for movements that require ongoing feedback to adjust the movement. Here are three movements involved in packing a lunch that would be controlled using open loop processes and three that would be controlled using closed loop processes. So for open loop processes, first, reaching for the lunch box. The movement required to reach for the lunch box is a rapid and accurate movement that can be executed without ongoing feedback. Second, grasping the sandwich. Once the student has reached for the sandwich, the movement required to grasp it is also a rapid and accurate movement that can be executed without ongoing feedback. Third, placing the sandwich in the lunch box. The movement required to place the sandwich in the lunchbox is a precise and accurate movement that can be executed without ongoing feedback. Now, for closed loop processes, first, adjusting grip strength. When picking up a juice box or a piece of fruit, the student may need to adjust her grip strength based on the weight and shape of the object. This requires ongoing feedback to ensure that the object is not dropped or crushed. Second, positioning the sandwich in the lunchbox. The movement required to position the sandwich in the lunchbox may require ongoing feedback to ensure that the sandwich is centered and not squeezed. Third, closing the lunchbox. The movement required to close the lunchbox requires ongoing feedback to ensure that the box is properly aligned and the lid is securely closed. These are just a few examples, and there may be other movements involved in packing a lunch that can be controlled using open loop or closed loop processes depending on the individual's skill level and experience. I hope you find the video useful. Thank you.